Industry-academia collaboration has always been a point of discussion across the globe to enable both industry and academia to flourish in parallel. With the growing competitiveness across the industry sectors and challenges in managing growth and profit margins, today's industries are looking for industry-ready skilled professionals directly from the academia. The manufacturing sector contributes 18% to the GDP, and India has the 5th largest manufacturing hub in the world. As per the quarterly employment survey report of the Union Ministry of Labour and Employment, the manufacturing sector accounted for nearly 39% of all the employment generated in the selected 9 sectors. Over the years, India is steadily creating its leadership position in areas such as apparel, accessories, pharmaceuticals, oil and gas, and automobile, to name a few. As per the analyst reports, by 2030, many of the current jobs will become redundant, while new job roles will be created due to AI and automations. In today's scenario, industries alone cannot handle these challenges and opportunities. Hence, it has become increasingly important to shift the conversation from industry-academia collaboration to augmenting industries-institute linkage in the manufacturing sector. With investments growing in the country and the state of Odisha playing a pivotal role, it is important that the state produces a talent fuel line to sustain its leadership position that will play a significant role in the social and economic development of the country. Skill Development and Technical Education Department and Odisha Skill Development Authority is attempting to explore possible answers to some of the opportunities that lie ahead for the industry and academia. Let us brainstorm with the best minds in the country who are here in the Make in Odisha conclave to deliberate and explore the road ahead of us.